Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need to start by getting into the Windows 7 recovery environment now. Restart and tap F8 repeatedly until Advanced Boot Options appears. Select Repair your computer. Once done, choose the correct keyboard layout and log in with an administrator account so recovery tools are available. You're starting the process immediately to avoid further damage. From here you'll see System Recovery options. This is where tools like Startup Repair, System Restore, and Command Prompt reside. Make sure to note which account you used before proceeding to specific repairs. Once in System Recovery options, run Startup Repair first. It detects and fixes common boot problems automatically and may require a reboot. If the issue persists, choose System Restore and pick a recent restore point to roll back system files and settings. This won't affect personal files. For deeper control, open Command Prompt. Run bootrex/fixember, bootrex/fixboot, bootrex/rebuild, then sfc/scano to repair protected system files. These steps handle most corruption and bootloader failures methodically. After repairs, reboot into Windows to confirm the problem is solved. Check boot time and essential apps. If Windows still fails, use System Image Recovery to restore a full backup or prepare for a clean reinstall. Backup data first if possible. Make sure drivers and recent updates are applied after recovery to prevent recurrence. If problems persist, run hardware diagnostics. Test RAM with Memtest 86 and check HDD Smart status or surface errors. One key troubleshooting tip: hardware faults often mimic software failures, so rule them out early.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.